Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to save some fish from the dried creek bed since we haven't been getting rain lately. So, got my pail of water and there's a little bug in there. Let's get him out. Okay, so let's go down there and let's grab some. All the ripples are fish. And if you look somewhat closely, you can see tiny baby fish in there. Oh, 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 had one. Oh, there's one. Look at some sort of minnow. So we'll start scooping them out one by one, I guess. And I'll go move them to the ponds. And we'll go. As you can see, there's a bunch of little snails and everything. And like that little guy right there is a baby fish. And we'll start getting that, but I'll pick up the camera once I get some cooler finds. As you can see, those are all babies under my hand. All baby types like sticklebacks, little minnows and stuff. I mean, I'll try getting as many as I can. Well, I can't save them all because it's Mother Nature and all, but I'll try getting all the big ones out. I'm just gonna strain my hands. Oh, there's one. Okay, what I have right here, this is a stickleback, a 3-line, there he is. A 3-line stickleback minnow. They're a very hardy fish. And it has a big belly on it, so they probably were spawning. That's why there's tons of babies. But yeah, that's the second species in the bucket. And yeah. Here's another like minnows, like creek minnow or something. So yeah, let's get back to it. Then you got all the snails, but the snails will live on their own. But all these fish get trapped because they'll start going down and this heads to a river. But when we have no rain for a while, it'll dry up and fish get stuck. So oh, there's one. It's in here somewhere. But as you can see, on top of all of the water, all the little like twig looking things, those are all minnows, baby minnows. Oh, got one. Look at there. Another stickleback minnow. These guys I've experimented with in my fish tank, and I can get them to live, but I'm not risking another infection thing. So yeah, I'll pick up the camera once I get a couple more. But as you guys can see here, they do eventually die, whatever. Like this looks like a creek chub, a pretty big one too, but normally this thing's at least up to there. But yeah, fortunately we haven't got any rain, so yeah. Another big one going in the bucket. Ooh, she has a big belly. Hopefully she didn't spawn all the way. But these guys will go in a different. So I'm scooping them out, right? Pushing them in the corner or whatever, trying to grab them. And I look down the culvert here, and right there, you see that thing moving? That's one of them. It looks like to be another stickleback. Let's see if I can get him to Hopefully he'll survive. Oh, there he goes. Okay, back to it. Another big chunky minnow. As you can see right there, there's a big fish. And I'm gonna... Oh, I missed. No. I've been chasing this bigger one around for a while. There he is. Got him. Oh, this is a creek chub. With the forehead. Had those in the tank before. And of course, the disease hit, but yeah. So, I've been on it for almost an hour. Or half an hour. A little bit more. And then I'll give it a break. And then I'll go dump them. And then we'll come back and probably scoop the little ones. I'll try to scoop as many. But yeah. So here's even bigger minnow I found. This one was like almost double the size, but yeah. So I'm here at this pond. It's in our land. And I know it's not like the best of the ponds, but it has more water than the creek, and this should last the dry spell. So yeah. So let's get some of these guys up. Like, look at all those. Some of them probably won't make it because they're minnows. As you can see, there's already 2 down. Hope maybe they'll come back around. But these sticklebacks, okay, not those. Those are all creek chubs. The water probably will shock them since it's kind of cold. Yeah, the water will probably shock them since they're cold, but they might come around. They're still breathing. Oh, look, they're still kicking. But I mean, it's better than dying from drying out. So, but these sticklebacks, these guys can survive like anything. Like, and he's off. That one looks like it's pregnant. Come up for air. Let's get these. Try getting all the creek chubs in here. Hopefully they can. I mean, some of them are already starting to move, but they're swamp fish, so I can't do much for them. And look at all the sticklebacks. We'll see if they start moving. It's kind of hard. I was going for almost an hour, but here's like the biggest one. Oh, there he goes. Hopefully they survive. I don't know how well they all do. That one's upright. They're all still breathing. But yeah. Here's another one. We'll just dump the rest now. I tried scooping some babies, but they're so small. But yeah. Well, I'll check tomorrow if there's any left in there, but yeah. Otherwise, that's all for today's video, and see ya.